Now our topic is important points on complex numbers. Important points on complex numbers. The set of all complex numbers is denoted by C. The set of all complex numbers are denoted by C. C is set of ordered pairs A, B. Here such that A belongs to R and B belongs to R. Z equal to R by R cross R. Here order pair AB. Order pair AB is nothing but A plus IB. A plus IB. Here the value of I is root minus 1. I is root minus 1 and I square is minus 1. I square is minus 1. If Z1 is equal to A plus IB or AB, order pair AB, and Z2 is order pair CD, then Z1 plus Z2 is A plus C, B plus D. A plus C, B plus D. Z1 minus Z2 is A minus C, B minus D. A minus C, B minus D. And Z1, Z2 multiplication of two complex numbers is AC minus BD, AD plus BC. AD plus BC. Next, division. Z1 by Z2. Z1 by Z2 is AC plus BD by C square plus D square, BC minus AD by C square plus D square. And additive inverse of A plus IB. Additive inverse of A plus IB is minus A minus IB. Additive inverse of A plus IB is minus A minus B. The multiplicative inverse of A plus IB is A minus IB by A square plus B square. Multiplicative inverse of A plus IB is A minus IB by A square plus B square. And conjugate of A plus IB. Conjugate of A plus IB is A minus IB. Conjugate of A plus IB is A minus IB. Conjugate of A plus IB is A minus IB. And for example, modulus of A plus IB. Modulus of A plus IB is square root of A square plus B square. Modulus of A plus IB is square root of A square plus B square. Square root of A plus IB is plus or minus square root of R plus A by 2 plus or minus square root of R plus A by 2 plus I into square root of R minus A by 2. R minus A by 2. If here R is equal to square root of A square plus B square. Here R is equal to square root of A square plus B square. And if B is greater than 0. B is greater than 0. Next, if b is less than 0 అంటే plus or minus square root of or plus a by 2 minus I into square root of or minus a by 2. Here if b is less than 0, here also r is square root of a square plus b square. Next, if z is equal to x plus iy, if z is equal to x plus iy, then mod amplitude form, then mod amplitude form, mod amplitude form or polar form, polar form is z is equal to r of cos theta plus I sin theta, r of cos theta plus I sin theta. Here r is modulus of z, that is square root of x square plus y square. Cos theta is x by r, sin theta is y by r. Next, org z, org z or amp z, org z or amp z is tan inverse y by x, tan inverse y by x. Next point is, if z is purely real, if z is purely real, then imaginary part of z is 0. Purely real and that number having only real part, so imaginary part is 0. If z is purely imaginary, if z is purely imaginary, then real part of z is 0. Purely imaginary means that number having only imaginary part, so real part is 0. Next point is, let z is equal to x plus iy and theta is equal tan inverse y by x, tan inverse y by x. If theta belongs to q1, theta is in first quadrant, then amp z, then amp z is equal theta. Next, if theta is in second quadrant, theta belongs to q2, then amp z is pi minus theta, pi minus theta. Next, if theta is in third quadrant, if theta is in third quadrant, then amp z is minus pi plus theta, minus pi plus theta. Next, if theta is in fourth quadrant, if theta is in fourth quadrant, amp z is minus theta, amp z is minus theta. Next, org z1 into z2, org z1 into z2, that is org z1 plus org z2. Org z1 into z2 is org z1 plus org z2. Org z1 by z2 is org z1 minus org z2. Next point, z is equal cos theta plus I sin theta. Z is equal cos theta plus I sin theta. Then 1 by z is cos theta minus I sin theta. 1 by z is cos theta minus I sin theta. The next point is modulus of z1 z2 is modulus of z1 into modulus of z2. Modulus of z1 by z2. Modulus of z1 by z2 is modulus of z1 by modulus of z2. Modulus of z1 by modulus of z2. Next, I cube. I square is minus 1. So I cube is minus I. చూసాము ఫస్ట్ I is root minus 1, I square is minus 1, I cube is minus I, and I square into I is I cube minus I power 4 is I square whole square, and minus 1 whole square is 1, like that. Okay, thank you. These are the important points on complex numbers. Thank you.